Welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids, your go-to for innovative stock spotlights. I'm Mitchell, and today we're going green with Aduro Clean Technologies, ticker ADUR, a Canadian clean tech disruptor revolutionizing plastic recycling and sustainable fuels via its patented hydrochemolytic platform. Sorry if I said that wrong. Fresh surge today as of December 11th. ADUR shares climbed 4.96% to $12.90, extending a stellar year-to-date gain of nearly 98% from January's $6.21 open. The momentum? A pivotal December 3rd collaboration with Mexico's ECOCE to scale flexible plastic packaging recycling, unlocking Latin American markets, and aligning with global sustainability mandates. This builds on November 20th's breakthrough pilot trials yielding high-quality steam cracking oil, sparking a 16% single-day pop and validating commercial viability. Q1 fiscal 2026 results showed ramped progress toward pilot commissioning despite ongoing losses. Revenue dipped 31% year over year to $231,000 amid R&D investments. Analysts maintaining strong buy with a $47 target, over 260% upside, but watch execution risks in this nascent sector. ADUR, recycling rocket or eco bubble? Drop your verdict. Drop your verdict below. Smash like and subscribe to Mitchell Makes Vids for daily breakthroughs. Invest sustainably. See you next. Guys, links in the video description below. Make some cash. Become a member of my channel today. We'll see you in the next one.